Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GMAT, problems that you will find in this book, GMAT Review, the official guide. If you're preparing for the GMAT, if you're going to sit for the GMAT, it's very important that you buy this book immediately if you don't have one already. You can buy it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that appears on page number 161, problem solving number 70. Let's take a look at it. We are told that x plus 5 is more than 2. And we are also told that x minus 3 is less than 7. The question simply is, the value of x must be between what two numbers? In other words, they're looking for the range of the values of x from what to what. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. These are called inequalities. Solving inequalities is no different than solving equality. If you have, for example, if you had an equal sign here, what would you have done if you wanted to solve for x? You would subtract 5 from both sides. And you will get x equals negative 3. Well, having an inequality sign does not change anything. The same rules apply. Same rules apply for inequality as well. Did I mess it up? Yes, that's a greater than sign, you see? Because it wasn't making any sense from there. So now I know that x has to be more than negative 3. So I have a starting point. X is more than negative 3. Let's solve this one now. I'm going to change the color. Let's solve this one again. Again, if it makes it easier, think of this as the equality sign. In which case, what would you have done if you wanted to solve for x? What would you have done? We would have added 3 to both sides. And that would have crossed out this 3, and x would have been equal to 10. But we do not have equality sign. We have inequality sign, but it does not change anything. All the rules and all the things that you've learned as to how to solve equality, they all equally apply to inequality. Except in one case scenario where you're multiplying by a negative number, which I'll talk to when the time comes. We won't worry about it right now. So here, so that tells me that the variable that we're dealing with is either less than 10 or more than negative 3. If you wanted to see on the number line, here's my 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Starts from here and all the way to 10. It's not drawn to scale. I'm going to redraw it a little bit better. If this is 10, this is negative 3. It goes from here to here. That's it. Anything that falls in this range would work. Anything that falls in this range. Well, there you go. The very first one is the answer. It says the value of the x must be between which pairs of numbers? Well, between negative 3 and 10. As you can see clearly, this inequality tells me that x has to be more than negative 3, and this inequality tells me that x has to be less than 10. It's between 10 and negative 3. Answer is A. That's all there was. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to purchase the DVDs that I have put together, which contain solutions to all the math problems, there are about 400 of them, 250 problem solving and 150 data sufficiency questions. If you wish to purchase the DVD which contains the solutions to all the math problems, send me an email. Go to my website at gmaat.com. Or if you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring, I'm available for that as well. I'm located in Connecticut, but of course I'm willing to go anywhere, as I always say, as long as you and I can come to some agreement. All right. If you wish to get these clips right away as soon as I upload them on the YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Go to YouTube to my channel and sign up for subscription, and the YouTube will send you an email immediately as soon as I upload a clip. Okay. Thank you.